Looks like all the water that's causing the problem is staying in this driving rut on the gravel road here. It's moving from way back there. All the way down past here. I think that's what the problem is. Level of the gravel road is lower than the edge of the gravel road. Not good. So you kind of got the same thing going on here. The water's running right down there where the dog is. Just can't get lower than the ridge between here and there. It just runs on down. It's filling up down there. I put a little ditch in here and it's catching the water that's coming down the trail and dumping it out and down into the culvert. So yeah, I think you need to work on the road, get the road bed higher than around it. So there you go. That's my opinion.